Are there traditional songs or hymns for All Souls' Day? When we think of All Souls' Day, many of us picture solemn gatherings and heartfelt prayers. But did you know that music plays a vital role in these observances? On November 2nd, people come together to remember and pray for those who have passed away, and traditional hymns and songs are a big part of that experience, especially in Ireland. In Irish culture, hymns for All Souls' Day often reflected the rich tapestry of Celtic spirituality and Catholic traditions. One of the most cherished hymns is I Bind Unto Myself Today, also known as St. Patrick's Breastplate. This hymn is a beautiful prayer that invokes protection and spiritual strength, making it a fitting choice for this day of remembrance. Another popular hymn is The King of Love My Shepherd Is. This song carries themes of hope and eternal life, resonating deeply with those attending services. Be Still My Soul is also frequently sung, offering comfort and peace to the grieving. Many of these hymns have roots in Irish folk melodies or come from historic hymn collections dating back to the 18th century. For instance, the hymn tune called Irish, which originated in Dublin in 1749, has a distinct Celtic character that many find comforting. During All Souls' Day services, you might also hear psalms and prayers sung, often accompanied by organ music or choral arrangements. This music creates a reflective atmosphere, helping the living honor the memories of their loved ones. If you find yourself in Ireland during All Souls' Day, attending a local church service can be a wonderful way to experience these traditional hymns firsthand. Many churches host special musical programs that include both ancient and contemporary sacred songs appropriate for the occasion. The hymns sung on this day are not just melodies. They are deeply connected to Irish Catholic and Celtic heritage. They focus on themes of remembrance, spiritual protection, and hope for eternal life. Engaging with these songs can provide a meaningful way to connect with Irish seasonal traditions while traveling. So, if you are curious about the music of All Souls' Day, rest assured that there are beautiful hymns and songs that enrich this special day in Ireland. Whether you are participating in a service or simply listening to the melodies, these traditional songs offer a heartfelt tribute to those we remember.